To all of you who are supporters of Tesla, we have some wonderful news. The renowned megamind Elon Musk recently met with President Yoon Suk-yeol of South Korea, which suggests that Tesla is formulating plans to work with Korea. There are also rumors that their meeting is a covered indication that the EV giant intends to construct a sizable Gigafactory in the country of the morning call. If you're interested in learning more, join us as we dispel the rumors using ludicrous amounts of proof. Although Tesla originally used the term Gigafactory to describe its locations for manufacturing batteries, it now refers to all of their locations, including the first one that was built in Nevada in 2016. Currently, Tesla operates 5 Gigafactories, 3 of which are in If you don't believe us yet. Take a look at this. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol met with Tesla CEO Elon Musk in Washington, D.C. The two discussed the matter and came to the conclusion that Tesla will build a Gigafactory in Korea. The meeting was summarized by Yonhap, a Korean newspaper agency, and it mostly focused on the president's statement that South Korea boasts world-class manufactured robots and an advanced labor force, making it an ideal location to run a Gigafactory. Yoon Suk was also quoted as saying that Yoon Suk, according to the news agency. A user shared the same information on Twitter, and followers are ecstatic. Musk added that South Korea was still a top contender to host a Gigafactory and that he will travel there. In November of last year, Musk and Yoon virtually met to discuss the possibility of building a new Gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's short list of possible locations. Yoon and Musk was originally scheduled to meet in person during the B20 summit in Bali, Indonesia. However, the meeting was canceled because Musk was unable to travel to Bali, so they decided to meet virtually instead. Yoon also mentioned that Korea has a world-class automotive industry and that the country would work to strengthen regulations to make it easier for foreign investment. Although the discussion is not documented, it appears that Yoon was more explicit in his statement that Tesla in particular would receive direct support rather than broad government regulation action. Says South Korea remains one of the top contenders for a Gigafactory and that he intends to visit the country. The presidential office's release statements also provided us with some insight into the situation. It states that after Elon Musk informed him about his plans to construct a Gigafactory, the two brilliant minds discussed ways to collaborate on an investment in Korea related to the production of electric vehicles and on global technological innovation. In response, Musk stated that he believes Korea is one of the best investment prospects and intends to select after carefully examining investment requirements such as labor availability, technological advancements, and the production environment of Asian candidates. At least that's what the statement said back then. But at the time there were rumors that Tesla was considering building a Gigafactory in Canada or Mexico. Yoon said that Korea has a world-class automotive industry ecosystem and investment conditions. It's been a while since the virtual meet, and with electric vehicles expected to grow at an explosive rate in the coming years, Tesla needs to upgrade and build Gigafactories in other locations. Even the company itself announced that it would build a Gigafactory in Mexico, potentially quelling rumors of other locations. According to statistics, Tesla hopes to grow sales by 50% a year going forward and might sell 20 million cars by 2030. If that were to occur, Tesla would need to establish Gigafactories all over the world. And there's no better place to start than Asia, where Korea is unquestionably becoming a major participant in the EV market. Two of Korea's largest manufacturers of electric vehicles are Hyundai and Kia, and Korean battery manufacturers LG Chem, Samsung SDI, and a Gigafactory in East Asia would be a great boon for the company, as that is where half of the world's population resides. South Korea would also be the best location for a new Gigafactory given its highly qualified workforce in the automotive, robotics, and smartphone industries. Not to mention the fact that the country is leading the way in the EV industry thanks to a combination of government assistance, technological advancements, and a thriving automotive industry. To encourage the use of EVs, the government has implemented several initiatives, including tax exemptions, financial assistance, and research and development expenditures. Consumer demand for EVs is also growing quickly due to factors like increased air pollution concerns and a need for more environmentally friendly transportation options. If we take all of this into consideration, now is probably the best time for Tesla to work with the country. These laws have forced businesses to invest in the EV industry, which has resulted in the sector's growth in South Korea. The deal's value was determined using LNET's most recent cathode sales price and is susceptible to vary depending on how much lithium prices fluctuate. Additionally, the leading producer of battery components in South Korea, Alan, agreed to pay $2.91 billion to supply Tesla Incorporated with the cathode, a crucial component of electric vehicle batteries, according to our regulatory filing. This means that LNF will supply high-nickel cathode to Tesla and its affiliates for 2 years, from January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2025. In case you didn't know, LNF also happens to be one of Korea's top 3 cathode makers. Additionally, $2.9 billion is a lot of money claimed earlier that he believes Korea to be one of the best investment opportunities and that he will make a decision after carefully evaluating investment requirements like labor technology and the production environments of Asian candidates. He also claims that he wants to get deeply involved in Korea's infrastructure for charging electric vehicles, claiming that Tesla continues to use superior parts made in Korea and in domains related to artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. With all of this in mind, there is a good chance that Tesla will build a new, massive Gigafactory in Korea. Even Tesla Economics addressed the issue on Twitter, stating that Tesla South Korea Gigafactory could arrive soon and include Elon Musk. What more proof do we need, guys? Is Tesla planning to build a Gigafactory in Korea? Share your ideas with us in the comments section below. In addition to Tesla, President Yoon expressed hopes that Korea will work with SpaceX. He stated, "I hope that our cooperation with SpaceX will further expand to foster Korea's space industry. Korean businesses, like Starlink services, are prepared to participate in Mr. Musk's new venture. Elon Musk will undoubtedly have something to do with Korea sooner or later, but more than that, the nation is very excited to work with Musk and Tesla," according to reports from news outlets. Nye Research is reportedly planning to launch its low Earth orbit satellite communications service Starlink in Korea. SpaceX wants to collaborate with Korean telecom provider KT. Core industry sources also claim that KT said the Korea telecom giant satellite service provider is under discussions with SpaceX about launching a Starlink service, stated that the government will try its best to support any additional investments made by Tesla, SpaceX, or other businesses, including the construction of gigafactories, and that it is creating a special plan to provide these particular businesses some advantages. By the end of 2022, ordinary investors in South Korea had bought Tesla stock for $2.8 billion. He continued, indicating that the country is surely eager to support the enterprise. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders acquired $160 million worth of Tesla shares. President Yeo stated at the meeting that if Tesla decides to go ahead with the investment, he will actively help the company in terms of location, personnel resources, and taxes. Here is a list of items to think about if we are to examine and draw a conclusion. Where should Tesla build a Gigafactory next? At this point, only time will tell. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more content like this, hit the notification bell and stay tuned. President Yoon will stop at nothing to help Musk collaborate with Korea. This includes not only SpaceX but also other technologies. The chances of a Gigafactory in Korea are high.